Hey, it's me. Welcome to my travel diary. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the second day of our South China trip. From Tiananmen, i-explore naman natin ang Guangzhou, China. But before that, you can check my previous video for the first day of this trip kung saan we travel from Hong Kong to Tiananmen to visit Chicken Ancient Town. We are on our way to our first itinerary of the day, which is the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall. Ginawa ito gamit ang nalikop na pera ng mga Chinese para kay Sun Yat-sen, o kilala din bilang Father of Modern China. Since 20-30 minutes lang binigay ng guide namin dito, we only got to appreciate the beauty of Chinese architecture in the garden. Hindi na kami nakapasok sa loob. But inside, makikita nyo yung auditorium para sa mga performances. May exhibition hall din kung saan makikita ang buhay ni Sun Yat-sen at yung mga nagawa niya para sa China. Papunta naman tayo ngayon sa Liuhua Lake Park and White Castle na may malawak na lake sa loob. So based sa nabasa ko, this is one of the 4 major man-made lakes in China. It's one of my favorite places that we visited in this whole trip, no? So, if hindi lang sana kami naka-group tour, actually, I would have stayed longer here. Sobrang lawak, maliwalas, malinis, sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar. But due to the limited time that we had, hindi na namin nalibot yung buong park. Before we went for lunch, we passed by the Sacred Heart Cathedral. Hindi na kami pinababa ng guide, sa bus lang kami. So, if you get a chance, I think it's worth the visit din naman. Magandang design. Our lunch is already part of the package, no? Actually, lahat ng lunch namin nasa local Chinese restaurant in serve in family style. May mga na-serve na kilala namin, but most of them very local talaga. So it was quite a nice experience. After our lunch, we went straight to our next itinerary. But before that, let's appreciate first the scenery. I noticed na kahit sobrang modern na ng city na to, madami pa rin mga puno. We are now in Tsui Kwang Kwang Tram Station. So this is my first time to ride a tram. I'm from Vismin, so wala din kaming train. Kaya super excited. And while waiting, we had time to check the area. I know we just barely scratched the surface, so I know this is not the whole China, but to compare it with our city, sobrang layo pa din ng Pilipinas. So I hope someday marating din natin ang ganito ka-moderno, ganito kalinis at kaayos na syudad. So while on the tram, you get to enjoy the view of the Pearl River, since it's along the river lang naman, and the high-rise buildings as well as the Liadi Bridge. is the Canton Tower. Though amazing ang Canton Tower up close, we went to a much better location for picture taking. So pumunta kami ng Huacheng Square. So if you get a chance, super ganda din ang lugar na to. So try to visit this place as well. We are now headed to Emu or Emu Mall. So this was not supposed to be part of the itinerary at yung kasali was Fashion Tianhe Plaza. But since kailangan bumili ng additional luggage ng mga kagroup ko and dito din kami dinala ng guide, so might as well check the place na din. So it was a decent mall naman, maraming stores, so marami din kayong magiging choices. This is the last itinerary of the day, the Pearl River Cruise. So this is just an optional activity that is usually offered by the tour guide during the trip, no? Along with other optional tours. Since marami din naman nag-avail ng mga optional tours, the guide gave us a free dinner tonight. So after the dinner, and while waiting for those who avail the cruise, we just bought some dessert while we walk around the area. Since park din siya, kahit hindi kayo mag-avail ng Pearl River Cruise, pwede din nyo din ma-enjoy yung place. Then may mga nagbibenta din ng mga kung ano-ano like food, souvenirs, coffee, and meron din siyang convenience store dito. So meron din kayong makakainan. Yan. So marami din kayong pwedeng gawin other than the Pearl River Cruise. Dito mismo yung port and ticketing area. So makikita nyo dito yung iba't ibang mga cruise na pwede ninyong masakyan. As you can see, maganda din naman ang pagkakagawa and matutulad mo din siya doon sa mga sikat na mga river cruise dito sa China. If gusto nyo mag-DIY, meron ditong mga ticketing offices where you can buy the tickets or di kaya you can buy it directly using the kiosks. So maraming mga kiosk dyan na pwede nyong pagpilian and bilhan ng ticket. And before we end this video, we'll be checking in at Metro Polo Hotel. So every day we'll be checking into different hotels since mag-visit din tayo ng iba't ibang mga city. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!